go. Well done. You're getting better and better. Progress. Build it up to crescendo. Oh, with the zigzag run. Ooh. Do you feel like you're leaning forward at all? Oh, okay, not bad. Focus more on the turbo tuck and the punching the board. All right, leaning forward a little bit ahead of yourself. Knees up. Yeah. Okay, well done, Grayson, son of Gray. When you get about halfway down the runway, top end speed and maintain to the board, to the hurdle. Okay, I like it. It's getting better. Okay, keep focusing on punching, stomping a mud hole in that springboard, okay? Okay, I'd still like to see more punch of that board. Okay, reach up more. Okay, you're kind of throwing your chest down, tucking early. It can go up a lot higher. I like what you're trying to do. Where should your feet punch? In front of you, but what part of the springboard? Top end, middle, kind of middle top, middle, okay? Where you see it's all white, that's where people's feet are? Yeah, stomp in that area, okay? When you do your chenkos, when you guys are working your chenkos, not my chenkos, but your chenkos, where should your feet land? Think about it, the springboard starts at a slant, so what part is not slanty? Or less slanty? Think of, look at the springboard. If you were doing your chenko, where should your feet land? Well, look, it's slanted, and if it's slanted and you have a lot of speed, which direction are you going to go in? You're going to go up. So we want to go this way. So you want the surface to be flatter, not inclined. So when you do your chenko, your hands go down, you look under your armpit, try to see your feet land up here, okay? All right, let's do our front tucks again. Okay. You guys are doing really good, by the way. Running out of time. Accelerate. Well done, Amaryllis. I think we're ready to clear the table soon here. Double front. Carry it up to Mach 5, Amaryllis. Come on, break the sound barrier. Accelerate. Okay. Good girl. Okay, do you feel like you're leaning forward at all? No? All right. A little bit? Yeah. Okay. It's getting there. I like it. Good job, Ariani. All right. I think you have the need for Grayson, you have the need for speed. You have the need for speed. And then you have the, when you do your handsprings or your whatevers, you have the right.
To be tight?
Yes, to stay tight. Good guess. Yeah. Do you feel like you're leaning forward or feet in front of your hips?
I don't know.
You don't know? Pretend like that. Maybe I should raise the table. Pretend like there's a wall there. You got to punch and sail over the wall. Oh dear. Were your steps off? Were your steps off? Yeah, looked like it. Still a lot better now than you were 15 years ago. Ooh, you almost hit the table there. Did you stutter step on the hurdle?
Yeah.
Yeah? Were your steps a bit off?
Yeah.
Was that the only time, or have they been off?
The only time.
Okay. Yes, sir.
First thing,
What is it, Olivia, sir?
Second thing, what do we do?
Yeah, you can go, but just make sure you bring along the breadcrumbs.
Okay.
Okay? I don't want you to get lost.
What are we doing for food?
Soccer? No, probably some tumbling. Yeah, it's a Coach Tanya question. Remember, she's on floor with you guys.
Oh, yeah.
What time is it? Is it time?
I don't know.